haven't been home for the past 5 years. And with home, I mean my country of origin, where I come from, where my name, where my surname comes from, where my family is, where my siblings is. I haven't been there 5 years. Coming to think of it, I haven't seen those faces in a minute. So this video is not about being sad. It's actually about being happy because I am finally going back to my country of origin, or to my home country, Zimbabwe, after a good 5 years. Oh, wow. So I'm just excited. That's why I want to do this journey with you all, guys. So today is the 7th of April. I'm not flying today, but I only have, if you can tell, I only have 6 days left, and then I'll be going home. So, you know what it is. Your girl wants to pack with you and just behind the scenes, spending the days with me in Zimbabwe, and me getting ready to go to Zimbabwe. So if you're seeing this channel for the first time, I'm your girl Charmaine, and this is the Little Cake Lab channel. So if you are into baking, if you want to learn new things, if you're looking for a community, if you're looking for a channel where there's so much safe space, where there's so much fun, where you learn baking, where you learn a lot of things, I will be showing you this. I teach people different recipes. We learn together. I find out new tips. We learn together. And you happen to be lucky and also see my life behind the scenes. We keep it real here. We make everything real. So back to our video. Today, what will you be doing with me? You're packing with me. So you know how excited I am, or rather I packed a long time ago, but one of the bags, they're overweight, and yeah, so one of the bags is overweight, so we're going to be fixing that together, and also packing my bag because, you know, I'm a Zimbabwean. Instead of me being early on packing and everything, I decided to order my clothes or order things that I want to wear yesterday, and I only have 6 days, hoping that they'll be on time. So these are the bags. I hope you can see. These are the bags that I'll be having. This is still empty. This is the bag that I'll be carrying with me. My things will be there inside, but I managed to pack. This is heavy. I even bought. So a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. And I'll just wait 2 seconds and then pick it up again, and then I'll see how many kgs it have. So approximately, this is 31.5. This one is okay. This is 31.5. It's supposed to be 32. So I'm going to leave the 500 kgs just because probably I'm measuring wrong, so it will be okay. I just want to add one thing, my toothbrush. I'll find it in Zimbabwe. I don't have to pack extra. You guys, this is tiring. I swear. I just have to wait like some few minutes so that I get the weighing machine just stops on its own, and then I check how many kgs are there. Fingers crossed, because I don't wish to start this again. Okay, let's find out. I mean, it's overweight with 300 grams. I don't think they'll make a fuss about that. They make a fuss, I'll just put it in the bigger bag. So I'm not gonna put anything else in these bags. I'm just gonna leave them like that. The only bag that now needs to be packed is my own bag. The only problem that we have is they couldn't allow me to extend to buy extra luggage for this small bag. It only have to be 7 kgs inside. Think about it. So I'll just carry some things that I feel like I need. And if they're not enough, I'll just buy new clothes when I go to Zimbabwe. Either way, they have more nicer clothes. I said it. Who said that? I did. Okay, so I'm still waiting for the other clothes to come. Yeah, and then we're gonna bake another day together. Okay. Yeah, continuation. Today is the day. Wow. So my flight is at 10 p.m. And since I leave 2 to 3 hours away from the airport, we're going to be leaving home at 5 p.m. so that we have like good 5 hours. Mixed emotions. I'm so happy and I'm so nervous. I'm not someone who gets nervous from flying, but this long flight, if you know the flight from Germany to Zimbabwe, is hell. And especially if you're connecting a flight in Ethiopia, they usually have 4 to 5 hours break. I have 4 hours break, so yeah, this is driving me crazy, yo. And the flying stress, I told you in my other video how flying stresses me out. So guys, I just wanted to tell you that today is the day and you'll be coming with me. So now I'm just going to take a bath. Now it's 3 p.m. I'm just going to take a bath. I'm bathing and I'm going to be washing my hair and decorate my hair. Style my hair. And yeah, you're going to be doing this with me. And then I'll show you the outfit of the day. And yeah. You're done bathing. And I'm going to show you outfit of the day in the hopes that you see me. I don't think you see my shoes. So, shoes. Shoes, this is New Balance, and I'm wearing compression socks and this tracksuit. Where is it from? Boohoo or About You, I think. And ring for my husband. Glasses you already know. And the hair was made by myself. Otherwise, that's basically it. So, just ready to go. And you'll be coming with me.
apron on, hair tied back, flour on my hands, yeah, I like it like that. Turn on the lights, hear a chord say hi. Welcome to my kitchen, come bake with me tonight. Measuring dreams in a mixing bowl, butter and sugar, let your worries go. Every recipe's a little piece of me, from my heart straight to your screen. It's more than recipes, more than cakes, it's all the little moments that I make. Welcome to the little cake lab, where sweet ideas come to life. Whisks and bowls and messy plans, baking love one slice at a time. Yeah, the little cake lab, from the oven to my everyday. If I'm baking or just being me, you're right here along the way. Testing flavors late at night, burnt a batch, but that's alright. Camera rolling, real life shows, some days frosting, some days no. Coffee cups and grocery runs, recipe fails, but we still have fun behind the scenes. This is my space, not every day is picture perfect cake. Laughing when the sugar spills, learning as I go and loving it still. Welcome to the little cake lab, where sweet ideas come to life. Whisks and bowls and messy plans, baking love one slice at a time. Yeah, the little cake lab, from the oven to my everyday. If I'm baking or just being me, you're right here along the way. Tie a ribbon, light the flame. Every cake tells my name. If you love baking, stay a while. We'll learn together, smile by smile.
Olha, tá chica, tá chica. Welcome home. Ini bukan yang suka. Hallelujah. This is nice. Yeah, this is my